Hello dear Libras, a very good evening to you guys. So I hope you guys are doing really well in your life. So this is a general love reading for all the Libras, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and keep in mind these are general readings, so this might or might not resonate with you, and the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, if I'm telling you this is your energy, this could be theirs, your partners, and if I'm telling this that's your energy, then this could be that could be your partners. Okay, let's start. Let's start. So Libra, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, your partner's current energy right now is, your partner's current energy right now is King of Wands. I feel like Libra, your partner is right now very passionate about you. I feel like there's something that is not working out between you guys, but this person is holding lots of emotions for you, lots of passion for you, and this is mature energy. This is not like a one night stand or type of energy where you are just starting something and you don't know where it is going. So I feel like this person is right now carrying lots of passion, lots of emotions, might be for something else or someone else. I will check it out, but right now this person is wearing their heart on their sleeves, and they are doing whatever they feel like doing, really passionate about something. Let's clarify the King of Wands in their current energy. Okay, Seven of Swords, Two of Swords, Ace of Cups. Okay, I feel like they are right now being very self deceptive. Okay, and they are on the crossroads. They are emotionally off right now, and after being emotionally off, after being very closed off and detached, I feel like this person is carrying some kind of love emotions. This person is starting their love life all over again. Might be they're loving something else, might be they're just focused on their work or on their life. Generally they are feeling like love feelings for their life, and they are overwhelmed. So I feel like right now this person is not thinking about love. This person is thinking about something else, and they are very passionate about that something else. I'm not telling you, I'm not saying anything, someone, I'm not saying someone else, I'm saying something else. Might be this person right now is starting some kind of job, or they are doing some kind of business or something, and they're really passionate about their life, about their business, about their work right now. This is their current energy. Let's see what's your current energy, Libras. Your current energy right now is, Libras, your current energy right now is, what's your current energy, Libra? Let's see. Eight of Swords. Libras, you are definitely very conflicted. You are feeling like mentally you are in some kind of jail, and you are not able to come out of the situation. You are feeling like there's some kind of blindfold, something that there's something that blindfolded you, and you are not able to see anything clearly. Okay, and everything is causing you hurt, everything is causing you pain, and you are emotionally off right now. Might be you're not just looking towards any kind of emotional relationship in your life right now. Let's clarify why are you feeling like this right now. Let's clarify, Libra. The Empress, the Ace of Pentacles, the Five of Cups. Okay, so you want to look good, you want to work on yourself, you want to work on your happiness, you want to be as much creative as possible, you want to have a brand new beginning in your life. Okay, but you're deeply sad and depressed. You're deeply missing something. You are just crying over something that is not working out. You are just crying over someone. Might be you're just crying over someone. Okay, and you're deeply sad without them, you are deeply depressed without them. That's why you're feeling conflicted. So your mind is telling you that don't go back to this particular relationship or this particular person, because they are not the right person for you. Might be, but you're deeply sad and deeply, you know um, what should I say, you're regretful that why is this happening. I love this person, I have lots of emotions for this person, then why is it happening. This is your situation right now. You are deeply missing this person, Libra. And if you're saying no, you're not missing, you're lying to yourself. Okay, let's say what this person feels for you, their feelings for you, like right now. uh, what this person feels for you, Libra. Moon could be dealing with the Cancerian. I don't know why I always get the feeling of Cancerian with Moon. So I feel like right now this person is not feeling regretful actually. This person is feeling fearful. that there's no chance that this relationship is going to work out. There's nothing left in this connection, and they're very very fearful about the future. There's some kind of blockage in their intuition. They're not ready to see the clear picture of this connection, and I feel like this person is regretting. Okay, I'm getting the word regretting again and again. So intuitively, I'm telling you, I feel like this person is also regretting that what they did in the past, what they did wrong in the past, and this person is feeling like they are going to repeat the same cycle again and again in this connection, and they are very scared of reaching you. Very scared of reaching this connection or starting this connection again. Let's clarify the moon further. Five of Wands, yes. Nine of Wands, that could be dealing with a Scorpio. Okay, you could be dealing with a Scorpio, Libra. So I feel like Libra, this person is very very fearful. This person is feeling fearful and scared of reaching you, because every time they reach you, there is going to be fight. There is some kind of battle going on between you guys, and neither you are listening to them nor they are listening to you. So this is the situation here. That's why they are fearful. They are also deeply hurt. As you are hurt, they are also deeply hurt. You're mentally hurt and they are emotionally hurt. This is the situation here, and this person is also, they are deeply hurt, but they are trying their best to look good. They are trying their best to do good in their life, and just they are going through some kind of transformation phase in their life. Big time transformation. This is not some kind of a little transformative phase. No, this is a big time transformation that they are going through right now, and that's why might be this person is going through some kind of breakup with somebody else, or there's something that is deeply deeply saddening. And I feel like you guys broke up in the past. This is a breakup that happened with you only, and they are now really fearful about the future with you. They are really very scared about reaching you. Okay, let's see Libra what this person wants from you. Let's see Libra what this person wants from you. Okay, fine. Let's see. Ace of Cups. So Libra, I feel like this person wants love from you, a brand new beginning of love from you, overwhelming emotions from your side, lots of lovey-dovey talks from your side. So this person wants you to start this connection and say I love you to them, or say what you truly feel for them. This is what they want from you. This person wants love from you. This person wants lots of love from you. Okay, let's clarify. Pure love. This is pure love. This is not about sex or something like that. This person wants love from you, deep love from you, caring love from you. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups. Queen of Wands, the Star in reverse, and the Six of Swords. I feel like this person feels like okay, what this person wants from you is, this person wants you to be really passionate about this connection. Don't lose hope about this connection, and they want a peaceful solution for the shit that is going on behind the scenes, or the shit that is going on from the past several months or several weeks, you can say. This is what they want from you: overwhelming loving emotions. They want you to feel passionate about this connection. They want you to not to lose hope, and they want a peaceful resolution, a peaceful solution. And that's why they want brand new connection with you, brand new love from you. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person, Libra. Let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of July. Let's see. Queen of Pentacles. I feel like this person, Libra, this person will be busy doing their own stuff, busy doing their own work, starting their job, starting their business, starting something that is very very beneficial to them. I feel like this person right now is busy making money. Okay, self love, self healing, self care. You can expect, what should I say to you? You can expect maturity from their side. You can expect financial gains from their side. Some kind of offer, might be financial offer or some kind of job offer. This is what you can expect from their side. But I don't feel like there is love coming in towards you, or any kind of offer coming in towards from their side. Let's clarify. Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. So it's all about money right now for them. So till 10th of July, what you can expect from them is nothing. I feel like they will talk to you, but they're not going to talk to you on that level that they love you, or they want some kind of relationship with you or something like that. Although they feel like you should do that, but they are busy making money. They are busy working on themselves, working on their finances, working on their projects. This is all about money for them right now, all about their finances right now. Okay, so this is what is happening with you, Libras, till the 10th of July. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight, and yeah, that's what I want to say. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste.